Northeast Corridor. Once, riding Amtrak from Boston to Penn Station to read my translations in New York, I saw the ghosts of Yiddish poets wearing furrowed mantles and coming out from behind trees somewhere north of New Haven and asking me to translate them. And I wrote a poem about their emergence and their approaching the train and their letting me know they gave me sanction. Now I imagine they come from the woods again and invite me to join them, to go back among the trees with them. Read your poems to us, their leader urged. And because you have translated our poems into English, we will return the favor and translate your poems into Yiddish, and you will become part of our Bruderschaft. And thus, that very language you once wanted least to do with now becomes that language you need most of all. Come, talk with us. Their leader, who I knew had an elegant English because we chatted once in a restaurant on East 86th Street near Yivo, extended his invitation in Yiddish, trusting I would understand, as I once did over our coffee. And the gravelly, claimant, alien voice of the old men of my childhood changed into the leader's kind offer. Come, he invited me again. Come with us, back into the woods where you can talk with us. Komm mit uns zurück in Wald, wo du kannst reden mit uns. And as I followed the others moving deeper into the woods, their mantles changed into the barks of trees.